Hello and welcome to K1 Repair Center. The customer sent us Xbox One X. It's turned on, but there's nothing on the screen. The HDMI port is look okay. When you look in there, honestly, it's not looking any damage or anything. However, possibility HDMI port is damaged. The reason is video what I'm making, you want to go through and have a oopsie. You want to go through that one and have a look. What is the problem? Let's turn it back off. Have a look if any signal or anything. Have a look if you have turned it on. It's on. But no, it don't give any signal, nothing. When I say it's on, so let me will come back with the video again and have a look. I'm going to open it, have a look, disconnect the hard drive and try it again. Have a look if any error to not reading the data and come back with the video again. Hello, back to K1 Repair Center. We have opened the Xbox. So what we are going to do now, we are going to disconnect the hard drive and have a look. Is come anything on the display and give the error for the software, for the data. Often it's going to work. It means the hard drive is damaged. But what I'm going to do now, I'm going to just disconnect it, the hard drive plug. So now we are going to turn on, and hopefully it's come up. Nope. This means it's not the hard drive either, because sometimes if the reason I'm disconnecting the hard drive, sometimes the hard drive is damaged and it still is nothing come out of the screen. The screen is black. It's the easiest way to find out. Just disconnect the hard drive. If in case hard drive is damaged, it's come warning out, says the data is not fine or it cannot transfer the data. This is the one way to find out the hard drive is good or not. But in that case, it still is no signal. It's nothing come up. Oh, one second. Let me have a look how I put the right input. Yes, HDMI. You should check it first. So now, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to open everything up and check the HDMI port, is everything is connected correctly or not. And we will continue with the video. Hello and welcome back to K1 Repair Center. We have opened all the Xbox and it's the HDMI port is look okay. Someone have a soldered honestly, but I have looked at the microscope and it's look okay. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to connect it again like that condition honestly. Put the power supply back in the connector. Go have a look. You haven't got any signal or anything in case it's something shortcutted for the display, and we'll be continue with the video. We'll see you soon again. Hello, we have opened it. There still is no display after I connected. So what I think it is, I think it's a timer chip. Retimer chip is damaged. And I'm going to replace the retimer chip now and put it back together and have a look how it's going. Hopefully it's going to work. If that retimer chip is not working, honestly, I don't know what it can be. Now I'm going to replace the retimer chip and have a look how it's going. That is this one is the retimer chip there. Alright, that is what we are going to replace it. Come back soon. Hello and welcome back to K1 Repair Center. So I have put it all back together. I have changed the timer chip, retimer chip. I have changed it, what I have shown you in previous video. I have changed that one, replace it. connected the power, and we're going to turn it on and have a look. Hopefully it's going to work. So let's try it. The fan should start turning. Yeah, it should go. Have a look. Oh yeah, there you go. That is what I have for the. Yeah, happy day. It's working. It means it was a timer chip. Retimer chip was damaged. You can purchase from us. You can send me email. I can send it to you through the post. I think it's about we're selling for about $10 or 10 pounds or something like that. I'm not sure, but you can go online and buy them as well. It's called Retimer Chip for Xbox One X because this is coming default with them. But yeah, we have replaced it and it's all look good. It's working fine. If you have any question about this repair, please drop me a comment. I'll try my best to help you. Thank you for watching K1 Repair Center.